Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not working on your iPhone. Safari is the default browser on your iPhone or iPad and it does some excellent features, but sometimes it might stop working or crash. So the first step is check Wi-Fi or cellular data. First try to open Chrome or any other social media app to make sure that your internet connection is working. So if you're using data and if YouTube or any other social media app is not working, then it means you have the internet problem. You can switch to Wi-Fi and then you can check the app again to see if it's working. So if the YouTube is working or any other social media is working, that means your internet connection is working. Now the next step is you have to turn off the VPN. So if you are using any VPN, make sure that you turn it off. Like, you can go to setting and simply scroll down, click on general and completely delete the VPN profile. You can click on eye icon and click on delete the VPN. So once you have done this, now you can go back and check if Safari is working. And the next step is you have to enable cellular data for Safari. That you can go to settings, click on mobile data or cellular data, scroll down and make sure that Safari is enabled. So if it's turned off, you can simply toggle it on. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then you can force quit Safari. If you have iPhone with the home button, double press, but if your iPhone with the Face ID, you can swipe up and simply swipe up and close Safari. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then turn off JavaScript. For that, you can go to settings, scroll down, click on Safari, then scroll down, click on advanced, and then simply turn off JavaScript. So once you've done this, then you can go to Safari and see if it's working. And if it's still not working, then clear history and website data for Safari. Go to Safari browser in settings, click on clear history and website data, and click on keep tab. If you want to close the tab, you can do that. So once you have done this, then go to Safari and see if it's working. So as you can see, it's working. And if it's still not working, then the last step is you have to update your device to the latest version. Go to general, click on software update and see if there is any update available. So if you get any update, make sure that you download and install it on your iPhone. So if this video helps, thanks for watching, subscribe.